The LISI 7-piece non-stick carbon steel bakeware set is designed to be a comprehensive solution for home bakers seeking durability and versatility in the kitchen. This premium collection features essential items such as a muffin pan, loaf pan, cake pans, and a roasting pan, ensuring you have the right tool for everything from morning pastries to savory dinners. Constructed from heavy-duty carbon steel, each piece is engineered to resist warping under high temperatures while providing even heat distribution for consistent browning and perfectly baked results every time. Safety and convenience are at the forefront of the LISI 7-piece non-stick carbon steel bakeware set. Design. As the entire collection is PFA-free and non-toxic, the advanced non-stick coating allows for effortless food release, meaning your delicate cakes and muffins slide out without sticking, while cleanup becomes a quick and simple task. Because the materials are food safe and free from harmful chemicals, you can bake with peace of mind knowing that your family is enjoying healthy meals prepared in high quality, reliable containers. Whether you are looking to upgrade your own kitchen or find the perfect present for a loved one, the LISI 7-piece non-stick carbon steel bakeware set makes an excellent gift for any occasion. Its sleek finish and professional-grade build quality make it a standout addition to any countertop or pantry. This set provides the fundamental pieces required for both novice and experienced cooks to explore new recipes and master classic favorites, making it a thoughtful and practical choice for housewarmings, weddings, or holiday celebrations. Pros: easy to clean, high-quality materials, heavy-duty carbon steel, excellent non-stick coating, bakes food evenly, great price for the value, sturdy and resists warping, deep sides for messy foods, fits standard parchment paper, versatile for many foods, perfect for small batches. Includes all necessary pieces, makes a great gift, food releases beautifully, dishwasher safe. Cons: inaccurate outer dimensions listed. Actual size exceeds 10 x 15 inches, confusing inside versus outside measurements, higher shipping costs from size error, product was smaller than expected. Features: 7-piece baking set, non-stick coating, heavy-duty carbon steel, includes muffin pan, includes loaf pan, includes cake pan, includes roasting pan, PFA-free materials, non-toxic construction. The LISI 7-piece non-stick carbon steel bakeware set is designed to be a comprehensive solution for home bakers seeking durability and versatility in the kitchen. This premium collection features essential items such as a muffin pan, loaf pan, cake pans, and a roasting pan, ensuring you have the right tool for everything from morning pastries to savory dinners. Constructed from heavy-duty carbon steel, each piece is engineered to resist warping under high temperatures while providing even heat distribution for consistent browning and perfectly baked results every time. The LISI 7-piece baking pan set offers excellent value through its heavy-duty carbon steel construction and a high-quality, PFA-free non-stick coating that ensures even baking and easy food release. While users praise the set for its sturdiness, versatility, and easy cleanup, there is significant frustration regarding inaccurate sizing descriptions, as the actual outer dimensions often exceed listed measurements or result in the product feeling smaller than expected, which can lead to storage issues or higher shipping costs.